Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Babalian Money Show. With the holiday season just around the corner, our wallets are probably feeling a little nervous. Christmas is amazing, but let's be real, the cost of gifts can really add up. So today, I'm going to share some of my absolute best tips on how to save more money on your Christmas gifts without looking like a total Scrooge. These are practical, easy-to-implement strategies that will help you keep your budget intact while still spreading plenty of holiday cheer. First things first, my number one rule, make a list and set a budget. And I mean a real written down list. Who are you buying for? And more importantly, how much are you going to spend on each person? It is so easy to get caught up in the moment and overspend when you don't have a plan. Decide on a total Christmas gift budget. Then allocate a specific amount to each person on your list. This isn't just about limiting your spending. It's about being intentional. It forces you to think creatively about gifts instead of just throwing money at the problem. Stick to this budget like glue. I know. We hear this every year. But there's a reason for it. Last-minute shopping is a recipe for financial disaster. When you're scrambling in the final days before Christmas, you're more likely to panic buy, pay for expensive express shipping, and miss out on all the best deals. Think Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and even pre-holiday sales. A batch of your famous cookies or a beautifully packaged homemade jam can be a huge hit. This way, the recipient gets something they truly desire, and each individual contributor ends up spending less than they might have otherwise. It's a win-win for everyone involved. And my final tip, have an open conversation about gift-giving expectations. This is especially useful with your friends and extended family. You can even suggest setting a price limit for the exchange. Most people are secretly relieved when someone brings this up. Another option is to agree on a no gifts for adults policy and focus solely on the kids, or to plan a shared experience, like a nice dinner out or a weekend trip, instead of exchanging physical items. Remember, the holidays are about spending time with loved ones, not about how much you spend. A little planning goes a long way. Just a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, and this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please consult with a professional for your specific financial needs. I hope these tips help you have a more affordable and less stressful holiday season. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our future money-saving videos. Thanks for watching the Babalian Money Show, and I'll see you in the next one.